So we have started with a new series on chapter is matter around us pure. This is the chapter which is a chapter in class 9 CBSE board, and the name of the chapter is matter around us pure. Okay, so this is our chapter and we have started with the new session. Now in the previous session I have told you that there are some substances which are not actually pure, though the word pure is written over there, but like milk, honey, ghee, coconut oil, as we have seen that they are not pure actually, and matter can be classified into two parts on the basis of chemical composition, as I have discussed in the previous video, that we can divide matter. Okay, as I have told you that matter can be divided into two parts. The first one was pure substances, right? And the second one was the mixture. Mixture is also known as impure substances. Okay, impure, we call these mixtures only as impure. Okay, now further, these pure, and what are these pure substances? These pure substances are made up of, they are the substances which are made up of one kind of particles. Okay, we are made up of only one kind of particles, whereas these can be made up of, they consist of two or more kinds of particles, right? Okay, now further, these pure substances, they can be further divided, they are further classified. Okay, so what are the other classification of this? They can be further classified into two parts. So one is the element and the other one is the compound. Okay, first one is the element and the other one is compound. Okay, now what is element? Element are the substances, or are the objects, you can say substances. These are the substances which are made up of only one kind of atom. Okay, they are made up of only one kind of atoms. Okay, whereas this is about element, and in case of compounds, these are the substances that are made up of two or more kinds of you can say atoms, which are chemically combined in a fixed proportion. Okay, so you can say that these are the compounds are made up of two or more kinds of atoms. Okay, that are combined in a fixed proportion. Okay, now in this you can take an example of water. Okay, you can take an example of carbon dioxide, right? Here the examples are water, carbon dioxide. These are the molecules, you can say. Okay, water is made up of same kind of molecules. Okay, H2O, every particle in water is made up of H2O. It means two hydrogen atoms are there and one oxygen atom is there, and they are combined in fixed proportion. Whatever amount of hydrogen is there in one particle, the same amount of hydrogen will be there in the other particle also. Similarly, whatever amount of oxygen is there in the first particle, the same amount of oxygen atom will be there in the second particle. So similar particles are there in each. You can see that similar H2O, this water is made up of similar types of particles. You can see these particles are known as molecules. We call them molecules. They are not the atoms, they are the molecules made up of two or more kinds of atoms that are combined in fixed proportions, right? And in this case, what is there? These are the elements, are the substances which are made up of only one kind of atoms. For example, gold. When you take gold, it is made up of only one kind of atom. If you see silver, you can say your copper is there, okay, copper, iron, okay, aluminium. All these are the elements of same kind of atoms, okay. From wherever you cut, in whatsoever amount you take, the each and every particle in this, say if you are taking copper, then every particle consists of copper atoms only. There is no other element found in it. No other atom could be found in copper, okay. Now further, this element also is divided into, okay, further element is divided into we can divide this element into three parts, okay. One of the part is metals. We find elements in the form of metals. Second is non-metals, and the third one is the metalloids, okay. So what we have understood today, what are the learning outcomes of today? What we have seen that matter was having two parts. One is pure, other one is mixture. This is also known as impure, right? In pure substances, if we take pure substances, it further has been divided into two parts, that is elements and compounds, okay. Elements are made up of one kind of atom, okay, one kind of atom, whereas compounds are made of more two or more than two kinds of atoms, okay, two kinds of atoms combined in fixed proportions, okay, combined in fixed proportions, right? Okay, and then further we have divided this elements also into three parts. Elements further can be divided into three parts. The first one is the metals, second one is the non-metal, and the third one is the metalloids, okay. So these are the classifications which we have come to know today, okay. Now we are going to study, or we are going to learn about them in the next video in detail, okay. We'll come up with the pure substances first, okay, and we'll start from here, right? We'll come up with this, and till then, goodbye, and keep watching. Do like and share and subscribe the channel, so that we can come up with new videos with new energies. Thank you.